Hello, this is Darrell. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and I've been doing a series of videos on the subject of credit. And on this video today, the last in our series, I'm answering the question, will I be able to get credit after I file for bankruptcy, or if I file for bankruptcy? And my answer to that question is, you will be more credit worthy in most cases after bankruptcy than you were before. Why is that? Well, I'll answer that by asking you a question. What is the one thing that you absolutely must have in order to raise your credit score? And the answer to that is make your payments on time. That is very hard to do when you have a lot of debt that you can't afford. You have a lot of debt that you simply cannot pay. You cannot make the payments. Many times on time or otherwise, you can't make them. And bankruptcy helps you with that. It helps you get rid of that debt that you can't pay so that you can make your payments on time. Most of our clients are able to keep all their property when they file for bankruptcy, and making the payments on that property that they keep is another way to raise their credit score. Bankruptcy helps you get back in the mainstream of life, back into commerce, into business. In other words, when you have debt you can't pay and you can't afford, you are not out doing business, buying and selling and things like that. But when all that debt is gone, then you can do that. In addition, at my law firm, we offer a credit enhancement program called 7 Steps to a 720. That program teaches you how to raise your credit score by yourself. It doesn't take bad marks off your credit. Nothing can do that legally, but it teaches you how to raise your credit score in spite of those things, so you come out of it better than you were before with at least a 720, if not better. Those are all things that you can consider when trying to make the decision of whether bankruptcy is right for you. Hello, this is Darrell. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you have debts that you can't pay, that you're behind on, that are of a big concern to you, and you want to find out what life is like after bankruptcy, I'd love to talk with you about it. Call me right now for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.